Samsung is set to introduce significant changes with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, bringing fresh innovations to its flagship lineup. One of the most notable updates involves the camera system, with Samsung reportedly considering the return of a variable aperture. According to reliable leaker Ice Universe, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might feature this long-lost technology. First introduced in the Galaxy S9 back in 2018, Samsung's variable aperture technology was initially quite basic, offering only 2 fixed settings depending on the lighting conditions. While it was a unique addition at the time, it didn't revolutionize smartphone photography. With the S26 Ultra, however, Samsung is implementing a more advanced system that allows for a continuously adjustable aperture, much like professional cameras. This means the camera can smoothly adapt to different lighting conditions, ensuring better exposure control for both photos and videos. Beyond aperture advancements, Samsung is also revamping its telephoto sensor. For years, Galaxy S series devices have relied on the same 3x telephoto sensor, but that could change with the S26 Ultra. Sources indicate that Samsung is planning to upgrade this sensor from 10 megapixels to 50 megapixels. The update follows Samsung's trend of gradually improving sensors, as seen with the S24 Ultra's transition from a 10 megapixel 10x periscope lens to a 50 megapixel 5x zoom sensor. While these developments are still in the early stages, they indicate Samsung's commitment to refining its camera hardware. However, the main camera will likely retain the 200 megapixel HP2 sensor. Another key discussion point surrounding the S26 Ultra is the S Pen. Sources previously suggested that Samsung might remove the S Pen from the Galaxy S26 Ultra, with speculation pointing to a shift in design priorities starting next year. However, an official statement from Samsung has clarified that the S Pen remains a crucial part of the Galaxy Ultra lineup. Bayan, a Samsung executive, emphasized that multimodal usage, whether speaking, writing, or taking notes, is essential for users. He further stated that Samsung takes pride in offering the S Pen as part of its portfolio, reinforcing that it will not be phased out anytime soon. While there is no confirmation on whether the Bluetooth functionality will return, the company has acknowledged the criticism surrounding its removal in the S25 Ultra, leaving open the possibility of its revival in future models. In addition to this, South Korean reports suggest that the S26 Ultra will feature a new OLED display equipped with color-on-encapsulation technology. This innovation is expected to bring higher brightness levels, potentially exceeding 3,000 nits, while also improving power efficiency. As a result, users can expect better outdoor visibility and longer battery life due to reduced power consumption from the display. As for availability, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in early 2027 and could be priced around $1,199 to $1,299, depending on storage and configuration options.